In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp contact on iPhone. So if you have a saved WhatsApp contact on your iPhone and you want to delete it, you can do this right within the WhatsApp application. So you don't need to go to your iPhone contact before you can delete any contact on your WhatsApp. So if you know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, all you need to do to delete WhatsApp contact on your iPhone is open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Then once you open it, select the WhatsApp contact you want to delete. Let's say this WhatsApp contact. Click on the WhatsApp contact here. This is going to give you information about the WhatsApp contact, and then click on the edit button at top right. Now once you selected that, you see delete contact, click on delete contact here, and then the pop-up will say delete contact. Go ahead and tap the delete contact from the pop-up. Then once you click on that, hang on for this, and if you hit the back button again, the WhatsApp contact will be deleted and you only have the WhatsApp name here. Then go ahead and press and hold the WhatsApp contact just like this. Then come down here and click on delete chat. Once you click on that, click on delete chat again. There you go. Then you should see the WhatsApp contact deleted completely from your iPhone. So this is how you can easily delete WhatsApp contact on iPhone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.